Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your Lenovo Horizon 2 and in this case it will be Windows updates. So in order to do that you'll need to press the start button or this button right here. Now scroll down and find settings. Here we'll want to scroll down again and press on updates and security. Now from here, press on check for updates. And if the Windows finds any updates right here, you can press on them in order to download them. Like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.